Namaste, Namaskar and Kardom Karbianglong. Hi, my name is Rebecca, I'm from Slovakia, and I will be 49th edition of Karbios Festival at 18th February 23. And I will be walking ramp for Joey's creation as a model. So catch me live at the Miss KYF 23 at Sam, Son, Sing, Inti, Acha, Tai, Tara, Lang, So, Difu. See you soon!
Namaste, Namaskar and Kardom Karbi. Along. Hi, I'm Uliana. I'm from Russia and I will be in 49th edition of KYF Festival in 18th February 23. And I will be walking ramp for Joey's creation as a model. So, catch me live and the Miss KYF 23 and sing, song, sing, lean, aja, tai, tar, lang, so, Dunpo. See you there.